JavaScript is a programming language that was initially created for adding interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. It is a client-side scripting language, which means that the code is executed by the web browser on the user's computer. JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted, and dynamically typed language. It follows the ECMAScript standard, which defines the syntax and behavior of the language. Let's talk about brief history of JavaScript. JavaScript was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich at Netscape Communications Corporation. Initially, it was called LiveScript, but it was later renamed to JavaScript due to a marketing strategy to capitalize on the popularity of Java. Over the years, JavaScript has evolved through various versions and editions, with the latest being ECMAScript 2023. Let's discuss some use cases of JavaScript. In web development, JavaScript is primarily used for building interactive and dynamic websites. It can manipulate the document object model, which represents the structure of a web page, allowing developers to modify the content, styles, and behavior dynamically. For example, drop-down menu, image sliders, form validations, etc. JavaScript can also be used on a server to create dynamic web applications. Node.js allows developers to run JavaScript on the server side, enabling the development of server applications and APIs. It's commonly used for building real-time applications, API services, and tooling. This is an example of a simple HTTP server with Node.js. We can use JavaScript in mobile app development as well. With frameworks like React Native and NativeScript, developers can use JavaScript to build mobile apps for both iOS and Android platforms. These frameworks provide a way to create native UI components using JavaScript and React. JavaScript can also be used for building simple browser-based games. With the introduction of WebGL and HTML5 Canvas, JavaScript can also be used for creating more complex and graphically intensive games. To develop applications using JavaScript, we need to set up the development environment. To write JavaScript code, you'll need a code editor or an integrated development environment, IDE. Popular choices include Visual Studio Code, Atom, Sublime Text, and WebStorm. Since JavaScript is primarily used for web development, you'll need a modern web browser to run and test your code. Popular choices include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. To test and debug the application, we need developer tools. Modern web browsers come with built-in developer tools, which provide a JavaScript console, debugger, and other useful utilities for web development. That's it for the introduction to JavaScript. In this video, make sure to watch the next video to continue your journey into learning JavaScript. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever a new video is released.